Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. I'm coming to you from my iPhone today, and it's a really quick one for you. Just wanted to put this out there in case it helps people out, and that is how to replace these little door seal clips on your F-150. So this should apply to all F-150s. It'll definitely apply to 09 to 14s, but basically what's happened on mine is that these clips have pulled out, or the weather stripping's pulled off the clips, but it hasn't torn the weather stripping any or anything like that. So we need to replace the clips in order to get this weather stripping to sit back up on the door sill like that. So basically all we need to do is pull out these clips right here using some needle nose pliers or something. The old ones, don't worry about destroying them if you're not going to reuse them. And then you're going to replace them with this part number right here from Alvico. I'll put a link in the description. You can get these off of Amazon or whatever. But I'm going to go ahead and get these pulled out, get this all fixed up, and show you what the finished product looks like, and show you why you should probably do this. All right, so in order to get the clips out, it's a little bit of a pain, but I'm using a plastic pry tool. You can kind of see. I'm getting in there as best I can. Trying to get along the vertical seam on that. There we go. And I just pry out until it pops out. And if it needs a little bit of extra help because one of the ears bends back, you can just grab it with some needle nose pliers, which I can show you really quickly here. And get it the rest of the way out. Easy peasy, no damage or anything. So got one, got two, got one more to go, and I'll show you reinstallation. All right, now for the finished product. Pop one, pop two, pop three, and now the door seal is nice and happy again. So just wanted to put the quick video out as a little quick tip for F-150 owners out there. If you have this problem, often happens if you have side steps and you catch your heel or catch your toe on the door seal. Super easy to fix. With that, I want to thank you all for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and hope to see you in the next video. Take care.